The fabrication workshop at HCC Stafford's Scarcella Technology Center can be a noisy, busy place, especially when the advanced design class is working on their annual project.
Every semester we do some kind of project, to enhance the ability of design and drafting. This year, by the decision of the whole group of the students, they decided they want to build a clock. I knew that the clock is not easy job to do, but we got a plan, and we divide the class into groups. Each group has a captain in it, and they start working together. So they start working together until they did finish it. We did face a lot of problems, a lot of difficulties, because the capacity of the project itself. But finally I feel very comfortable that we overcome all those, and we came to the final product, and it's a beautiful product.
When we started out the class, we wanted to be something different from all the other classes, so we decided to build a working wooden clock that's called a Simplicity. We didn't actually draw it out, but we took the design off a piece of paper, measured up all the specs, and transferred it to Pro Engineer. And from there, we basically used the laser cutter to produce it and put it together, and now we're assembling it right now.
I enjoy the whole process. I love drawing in Pro 3D, and then I love going to the machine to see all the parts that we're drawing, and then cut in the pieces, and then we have to glue everything together to make the thickness. And I think my favorite part is first we thought that we're gonna put our name in the clock, and then I think oh my God, nobody know how I'm gonna look like, And then one of my classmates to give the idea, we're gonna take the picture of every single people, and then we use the CNC machine to cut the picture, and then put our face in the clock. So 12 people is gonna be the number. So this is really amazing.
To be honest with you, it pushed our minds to the limits where we did things where we didn't think we can do before. There was a lot of teamwork involved, a lot of drafting techniques that we learned through HCC. So it was a very good experience.
Yes, the project itself, it is very neat. It's enhanced the ability of drawing and design for the students. They were working together, they tested, we tried to run it several times until we finalized the whole things. And when you talk about the clock, it has a lot of precision work in it. And that's what we try to, we use a lot of high sophisticated measuring tools to do all the measurement. We transfer all the drawings from Pro Engineer program into the engraver laser cutters, and then we try to put some things together. A couple times we ended up cutting the wrong things, but through this experience we learned a lot, because if we don't do any kind of mistakes, we'll not learn the mistakes. But we were able to overcome all this, and we finalized the whole product. And the students, they really did a tremendous job, because they moved from the design into the manufacturing, and that's really what I want them to do, to be able not just to draw things and design things, but also be able to build it and see how the process is going. And if we keep doing that you'll see our students, they're always going to have the upper hand in finding jobs in our area in Houston, since we have a lot of mechanical and piping shops here around. And we know that most of those shops, they require people know how to build a product, not just to draw it. And that's exactly what we are doing here in this college.
For HCC Beat, this is Randall Williams.